Blogmatic is a beautifully designed blog theme featuring a header and footer builder in the live customizer with various custom elements to give users a unique and engaging experience. With flexible customization options, you can personalize your site's layout, enhance navigation, and create a visually appealing design that improves user interaction. Blogmatic theme has multiple free and pro pre-built websites that you can instantly import with our demo importer. It is also compatible with Elementor Builder, and you can extend the Elementor Builder's functionalities by using our NewsKit Elementor Add-ons plugin. Number 4 and 5 demos are our free Elementor sites. Similarly, there are 4 additional Elementor sites available in the Pro version of the theme. We regularly add more features and demos to our themes, so these numbers will keep increasing in the future. In this customization video tutorial, we have used the Pro version of Blogmatic theme, so if you are using the free version, you might notice that some features are not present in your website. Still, you can follow this video and create a magnificent site by making all necessary customizations available in the theme. Without further ado, let me start our tutorial. Go to Header Builder. There are 2 layouts. Select background color. Add border thickness. Enable or disable box shadow. Adding bottom margin. You can move the widgets around in different parts of the header. There are 10 widgets you can choose from. Go to widget settings by clicking on it. Select site logo. Edit logo width. You can also add site logo for dark mode. Now site icon. I'm going to hide site title. Now editing social icons by clicking on it. Add your social media accounts. Choose relevant icon. Inherit official color. Edit font size. Now going to custom button. Write button label, select button icon. Add redirect URL. You can select whether to open the link in the same tab or in the new tab. Determine icon size, icon distance, and icon context. There are 5 animation types to choose from. In design, select typography. You can set preset settings and apply them directly. Select text color, icon color, and background color for primary and hover states. You may add border radius, box shadow, and edit padding. Click on the gear button to edit row settings. You can add up to 4 columns. There are 4 column layouts. You can directly go to relevant widget settings through row widgets. In design, you can select background color, add border and padding. Determine alignments. Now editing second header row. I am adding date time widget. Select preset settings. You can edit date color, time color, and background color. In menu options, there are 4 hover effects. You can also enable menu cutoff and determine menu cutoff item number. Select preset settings. Now off canvas menu. Select canvas position, left or right. Right now, the canvas is empty. We have to add widgets, which I'm going to show you later in this video. Now adding search widget next to off canvas menu. You can either select default or live search. Select icon color for primary and hover states. Select alignments for the columns. Editing top and bottom padding. Publish to save the changes. Now let's reload and see the changes. Let's see how it looks. Now it's time to edit main banner. There are 3 banner layouts. Select where to display, show social share, select post categories, post to include, post to exclude, tags, authors, and post order. There is also an option to hide posts with no featured image. Number of posts to show, offset number, In the trailing post, same settings. Select the order of display of posts. In post element settings, show title, select title tag for SEO purpose. Show categories, author, author image, date, date icon, and post excerpt. Select elements alignment. In slider settings, you can show arrows and select arrow icons. Next, content background color. Typography. Archive title preset. Excerpt preset for excerpt typography. Select for category, date, and author as well. Publish it. Next, category collection. Enable category collection. There are two layouts. You can display it on front page, post page, or both fronts and post page. You can show category count, determine the number of columns, select the query order, select the order of the posts. In slider settings, you can enable slider, arrows, autoplay, infinite loop, and such. In image settings, select the appropriate image size, determine image ratio, image radius, and add hover effects. There are three hover effects. In typography, I'm selecting Sierra font, medium font weight. You can edit font size, line height, and letter spacing. Capitalizing fonts, proper font case, selecting primary and background text color. Then content background color. You can also add box shadow. Publish it. You can also show YouTube videos. Enable video playlist. You need to enter YouTube API key. Read the blog post by HubSpot to learn how to generate your YouTube API key. There are two layouts available. It's very easy to add YouTube videos. Simply copy the video URL and paste it here. You can add videos as many as you want. Display position above or below archive. Select play and pause icons and determine icon size. In Design tab, select typography for active title, title, and video time. Selecting active background color. Furthermore, you can select colors for active title, title, video time, content background, and play pause icons. Now going to block archives. There are 7 archive layouts. This is archive layout 7. You can add up to 4 columns. There are 4 sidebar layouts: right sidebar, left sidebar, both sidebars, or no sidebar. Show social share. Select alignments, post title, title tag, excerpt, and excerpt length. I'm going to show post date. You can also show author, author image, button, and so on. Select the appropriate image size, image ratio, solid border, border thickness. Border radius. In Design tab, select inner background color. You can edit border radius, add border, serif font for post title, medium font weight, in excerpt typography preset. In categories, typography preset for category. In date, meta typography preset. Same meta for author. Meta preset for read time as well. Publish to save the changes. Left sidebar is empty. Now let's go and fill left sidebar. I'm going to add post list widget. I'm going to show 3 posts only. You can choose from 2 layouts. Blogmatic theme also has Ajax load more button. Next, carousel post widget. You have an option to enable slider item to auto slide, show slider controller arrows, and enable infinite loop. Go to sidebar widget styles. I'm going to continue with sticky sidebar. Determine border radius and image border radius. Edit padding. Editing inner background color. You can also add box shadow and border bottom. In sidebar, you can edit typography for block title, post title, category, date, and pagination text. Selecting same Sierra font as earlier. Semi-bold font weight. Next, post title. Sierra font for post title as well. Categories preset for category. Meta preset in date and pagination. Again, save the changes. Customizing blog archive section is now complete. Blogmatic theme also has its own dedicated footer builder. Go to footer builder. There are two section width layouts. Select background color. Add border. I am adding top border. In Instagram section, there are two layouts. Select image. You can add as many posts as you want. Upload the image and enter the URL. You can enable link URL with image and select whether to open the link in the new tab or in the same tab. Furthermore, you can select relationship attribute and determine the number of columns in a row. You can show image caption and Instagram button. Enable slider. Select the appropriate image size. Determine image ratio, image radius, and add border. There are three hover effects. In Design tab, select Typography. You can edit padding and item cap. Delete social icons. Change number of columns to 1. Go to second row. Put 3 columns. In the first column, I'm going to add sidebar next to logo. There are 4 column layouts. Select footer logo. Show default site logo or select a different logo. You can also put dark mode logo. Edit logo width. Now to sidebar widget. Add description. Edit text color. In second column, I'm going to add sidebar to. Next, I'm going to add post list widget. I'm only going to show 2 posts. Disable load more button. Edit text color. In third column, add sidebar 3 widget. Click on it. I'm going to add post grid to column widget. I'm going to add post grid to column widget. Disable load more button. These are the widgets I have added in the row. You can also choose row direction. Select alignment. In design tab, select background color, border, and edit padding. I'm adding top and bottom padding. Select alignment. Now on to third row. Increase the number of columns. Select column layout. Let's drag scroll to top button to second column. I'm going to add menu next to copyright text. To do so, add menu options. Select menu. Select color. Select typography. Now go to copyright section. Select text color and typography. Select Sierra font. Edit font size and letter spacing. Now on to scroll to top button. Select button icon. Button alignment and display type inline or fixed. In design tab, select icon text colors and background colors. Back to editing third row. Now go to design, add border. Let's add top border. Edit padding. Next, column alignment. Then save changes by publishing. This is how it looks now. It looks beautiful. Building footer is now complete. Go to SEO. You can make your website schema ready. Choose whether to show published date or modified date. Select date format, default by theme or WordPress default date. There is an option to disable admin notice. Go to preloader, enable site preloader. There are 5 preloader styles. Choose when to display animation on initial website load or on each page load. Select background color. Save it. Now the preloader style is active. Go back to global website layout. There are 2 website layouts. Select container background color. You can also add box shadow. Determine horizontal gap. And vertical gap. There are 4 block title layouts. Go to animation hover effects. There are 7 post title hover effects. You can also choose from 5 image hover effects. Next, cursor animation. There are 2 animation effects available. Next, buttons. Edit button label. Select button icon. Determine icon size. Select typography. Select colors. Background colors. You can add border and border radius. You can also add initial box shadow and over box shadow. Edit padding. Next, I am moving to post formats. You can designate icons to particular post formats. Now you can see the icon. Publish it. Edit. Change post format. Add gallery. Save. In gallery format, you can shuffle the images without opening the post. Go to social share. Enable social share. You can choose to show the official colors of social media services. Select display type, inline or fixed, and select social share position. We have also provided an option to reset to default theme settings. Now go and choose theme color and preset colors. These are solid preset colors. And these are gradient preset colors. Next, go to category colors. Select initial and hover text colors and background colors. You can also set tag colors. Now I'm going to show you how to set typography presets. Write a label name. Select font, font size, font weight, and so on. Back to block archives, general settings, design, select the preset. Now publish it. Congratulations! Now you have fully customized your website with Blogmatic theme.